All right, welcome back, everyone. We're going to start the Trivia Dome. In order to escape the dome, you need to answer the trivia questions. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to do is break out into groups, and then we're going to post. I'm going to post a question on the Discord channel, and then pick amongst yourselves someone in the group that will record all the answers for your group. So you're going to record all your answers. As we post the questions at the very end, we're going to reveal all the answers. Then we're going to grade everybody at once. And with that, we'll go ahead and get started. Does anyone have any questions about how we're going to do this? No? Okay, good.
Oh, Dan was gone. You got to repeat it.
Who?
I was 5 feet away. I could hear.
Oh, never mind.
Okay. Okay. All right, stop sharing. Create groups. Right, and I'll post the questions in Discord. Hey, Kaya.
What's that?
Welcome back, everyone. So, we have finished the trivia quiz. This is what we're going to do. That one person that you picked in your group amongst yourselves that would post the answer for your group, we're going to go through each question. And then we are going to post at the same time. So there was 5 groups. So we should see 5 answers posted at the same time in the Discord channel for each question that we go down through the list in. So let's go ahead and go through number 1. All right. So everyone, do you have that person in your group that knows who that is? That person know who he is? Do we need to talk it out amongst each other, or do we all know who's gonna post? Here are you. Okay, anyways, we're gonna just go ahead and go through each answer. All right, we're not gonna say answers out of order. You're spoiling the quiz here for me. All right,
Spoiling the quiz. Answering a question.
you're answering the question. We're supposed to answer in order the way I'm saying. Okay.
That's not very party-like.
Yeah, I know.
No, you.
You had to break it open. I know, but I knew you guys would like that question, so I'm glad you do. Anyways, everyone post for question number 1. Ready, set, go.
Go ahead. There it is. Oh, there.
Okay.
I didn't write it.
Where's the other answers? And Carrie says D. Okay.
By the way, we didn't get enough time to finish too. It was like very quick.
Really?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me retract that answer.
No, Carrie.
No, 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 no.
You've lost
No,
your
no, no.
you've lost your
You'll see, you'll see. I was looking at the wrong
This is what we're
question.
putting.
I don't know why you did that. I didn't get. I don't know. I don't know what he's looking at.
Look,
This isn't
so
what we
I
discussed,
started-
Malo.
You made a fool of me for the last time. Put that notebook down. You don't need it anymore.
Look, I started writing everything in. Hold on, what in the world?
This is the
Oh,
easy
I
part.
know.
You write it down and then you type it. That's what you do.
Malo, if you right click your
Okay.
D option and hit delete a message, it will be gone.
Look.
They'll never know.
I started it with
you.
the highlighter.
Right.
Come on
Yep.
now.
The admins will know.
Okay.
They see those
Okay.
deletions.
How do you do the delete again?
Don't shh,
No,
don't worry
you
about
can't.
it. I'm about to mute y'all. Come on.
Okay. Kaya, can you take note of the score? We're gonna just continue. What are 3 things wrong with this code? And then we have an HTML div class container. Then we have a div class top that opens and closes on line 2. On line 3, we have an image. 4, we have an H1 that opens and closes. Look at that picture. And line 5 closes. What does that close? That closes the container on line 1. And then we have one on 6 that opens called class bottom. This says I'm like a footer, an H3, and then P tag says if you'd like to learn more, contact us. And then so what are 3 things wrong with this code? Everyone post their answer in the Discord.
Like,
Okay. Post what you have. Don't change it based on the group answer. Don't wait to post now.
So I'll read the right question.
Okay.
Come on, Malo. Post. Come on. Don't take answers here. Mr. Malo. It's taking
Yes, sir.
that's a long time to post an answer.
I wrote everything down. Let me cook.
You wrote it on.
Oops. Line.
You got to start writing the next one down
There goes.
right now. So whatever you had for group 4 or where your group is for line, start typing it in now. You know what the question is going to be. I'm trying to pick on you now because I'm becoming suspicious. Which of
Gotcha.
these is not an HTML tag? Which of these is not an HTML tag? We're going to post our answers in 3, 2, 1, go. Is it A, UL, B, aside, C, T head, or D, IL? Okay. Number 5. To be or not to be. We have a var number equals 1, var letters equals A, B, C, D, E, var function compute has this for loop starting at 0, going to the end of letters length, and an if statement in that for loop that asks if I is equal to 1, and if so, it would make number equal to number plus number plus number, and then return number plus letters at I. If that if statement wasn't true, then there's just going to be a return that says number plus letters at I. And we have a var answer equals compute and console log answer. So what's the answer to this one? We want to post. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm asking for number 5. We're already answering number 6. You guys are getting ahead of us here. All right, might as well. Number 6, what is the difference between a console log and a return?
Oh, it's because everybody already answered number 5, I think.
Oh, okay. Really? Okay. All right. Number 6, what's the difference between a console log and a return? A, console log prints out what you ask it to as soon as it encounters a line, and return only prints out after the function ends. B, console log prints out what you ask it to, and return provides a value at the end of the function. C, return is purely for debugging purposes, and console logs are for ending functions. Or D, there is no difference between the two. Okay. Post your answers for 6. Now post your answers for 7. How would you get the third to last value in an array, assuming the array has more than 3 values? A, array at array dot length minus 3. B, array at -3. Array at array dot length minus 1. C, or D, array at array length minus 2. All right. 8. Post your answers when I say 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so that way we're not trailing here with their answers. We just want to see them like all posted. For number 8, which position property would be most useful for creating a cookie consent policy that follows you around until you dismiss it? A, positive absolute, position absolute. B, position relative. C, position fixed. Or D, position sticky. A, B, C, or D?
Missing one group's answer? Yeah. Thank you.
And number 9, what are the benefits of using display flex rather than display inline block? Okay, so whatever your group's answer was, type it out into the chat and post it when I say 3, 2, 1, go. Then do that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, number 10, predict what will show up in the console. Function something at R. Function something takes in an array. var result equals 0, and then a for loop says for I equals 0, while I is less than array dot length I plus plus. If R at I is greater than 10, console log, we got a big one, else result plus equals R at I. If result is less than 10, console log, you're killing me, smalls, else return, you're going to need a bigger function. So, predict what will show up in the console. Post your answer for number 10. And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it.
Ethan, I'm very sorry, my bro, but since we couldn't take Carrie's answer, what's it called whenever he fixed it, I have to take your first answer, okay?
Oh,
Good try though.
Fine.
I'm sorry, Ethan.
It's okay.
He's good sport. All right. So the bonus question: what do Batman and HTML tag have in common? Okay. Dan says both are excellent at exploiting weaknesses. So the HTML has exploited your weakness, is what I'm understanding. I understand. Both have wings. They both had bat ears. Nope. 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 You got none of those are the answers.
I think the original answer way back when might have been the one, but I take issue with it.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Oh no,
That
they
is-
both make you cry.
That is the
That could be
one.
it.
No, they don't. They both don't have parents.
That's actually not that funny. It's just something to make you think. Okay?
Make
I
you
mean,
be sad
orphans
that
do
Batman
have
doesn't have parents.
parents. But
Sometimes it's just a fact of life.
Always.
You get
orphans don't come from nothing. They,
I agree
How
with
do you
Dan.
know? How do you know?
What?
Okay. Well, we need to tally up everyone's score. I'm going to change the topic. We're going to tally up everyone's score. Kaya, can you tell us? We're gonna say the answers for each one. So for number one, the answer is C. Okay. So, Kaya, how many people got C for number?
4 out of 5 groups. The one
Okay.
who didn't get C, unfortunately, was Carrie's group
Oh,
because
okay.
he clicked the wrong letter.
Oops. I'm sorry, Carrie.
It's okay. I got my notebook to justify
Malik's
that.
like, no, it's not okay.
All right.
Just
Number
be another
two.
day.
I was looking for something for along the lines of 1, line 2, the div for top closes immediately, so the content inside of top isn't actually inside top. 2, line 3, the image tag is missing its alt. Or 3, line 7 is the opening tag is an H3 and the closing tag is an H2. So looking for something along those lines of an answer. So what do we have?
I'm pretty sure everybody got that one.
Everyone got it?
Yeah, Ben said incorrect div on line 2, which I mean, I would personally take.
Okay.
That's the only one I could see that I wouldn't
Okay.
really know.
Everyone got it. Everyone got it. Number 3, the answer should have been dot top content, the class dot top content. Inside there, display flex, justify content space evenly, align items center. So I'm looking for that top content to have display flex, justify content space evenly, align items center. So
Oh no, did we skip that one?
who we should have posted for?
No, we skipped it.
Yep.
Did
I
we
noticed
skip
it, but yeah.
Then let's post our answers now. Let's post our answers. We're not going back. Post our answer. No, I'm sorry, I didn't call this one. Let's go ahead and do it now if we could. Thank you.
I was wondering why there wasn't, like, I was tallying them up as we went, and I only got to 9, and I
I
was
just said the answer. So
yeah, but Dan's being a good sport. Look at him. Dan didn't change his.
honesty is important.
Exactly. See?
God bless you, Dan.
Okay, I got a question about number 3.
okay.
And I was glad that we kind of skipped over it too, because we were kind of confused. We didn't know whether you wanted us to write it down as another answer, or like make the code to get it to move? So
Yeah,
we were
that's
kind
what
of
me and
stuck
my
on
group
3.
was doing.
Well, in
Didn't
that
know
answer,
you had
what
to
you
like
would do
answer.
to make it move, it has to have something along the lines of those rules. You can describe what you would make it do, but that answer has to be correct itself as well, even if it's not exactly the code. So you have to have described it accurately with what rules you would make that code work.
I'm waiting for 2 more people.
Okay.
If we want to be really precise, probably do justify content 3 or 4 different things and check to see what happened, and then land on space evenly. But I would start at space around. So it's still incorrect. Trying to make jokes here, but everyone's muted.
It's okay, Dan.
Okay. So we all answered for that one.
You only got 3.
I mean,
Thank you, Gary.
I didn't write an answer down for it, so I don't know if my teammates did and I just didn't get it. But for number 3, I didn't have an answer yet.
Okay, was Ethan in your group?
I think it was
me and
Avery and Harrell.
Yeah.
So I mean,
If one of them
can one of them 2 answer for me?
Yeah, as it was a group effort. So if one person doesn't know, someone else.
Yeah, if you guys had it, you can throw it in there.
Yeah, you're answering based on your group.
Yeah. I don't know if they do though. So
I do not.
we'll see. Perfect.
I don't have to.
Alrighty, well, it doesn't look like anybody got all of them. Everyone said display flags.
So everyone
Can I
passed.
throw
Huh?
10 in for our group?
What?
We split up the last 3 questions and I don't think she got 10. Can I throw 10 in for our group?
Joan said,
So, wait, you guys have to agree on an answer. You guys didn't agree on answer 10?
We didn't finish. That's not saying we didn't have enough time.
No, you had to have posted. You had to have posted when 10 was relevant. So if you had a disagreement, then you could have corrected it. But I guess
We
you guys
didn't have a disagreement. We didn't talk about it. We didn't finish.
Yeah. You guys just, I guess, either choose whether you want to use Joan's answer or if you would have just missed it.
I'll use Zach or David's answer.
You guys are too competitive. What the heck? You guys.
I don't know about you, Josh, but I don't think anybody got number 3.
Okay.
Because
no one got it.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, number 4. We'll figure out 10 when we get there. Which of these is not an HTML tag? A, UL, B, aside, C, T head, or D, IL. Everyone post their answers on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
I think everyone got that one. Yeah.
Oh,
TB.
I'm like in 4, but I needed to be in reading the answers.
2, 3, 4.
Yes, so 4 is actually D.
Yep.
Okay, so 4 is D.
Yep, everyone got that one. Good job, guys.
5 is A.
2B,
5 is
2B, 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 2. Yep, everyone got that one too.
Did? I think I saw someone miss that one.
Everyone said 2B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then
I see.
Dan said true. Yeah, so
Oh, I see. Okay.
2B would be the same as true. Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Okay. Okay, so then we go to
6.
6B.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, looks like everyone got B.
7A.
Yep, everyone got A.
8C.
1, 2, 3. The only one that missed it was Jones Group. He said D, it was C.
And the next one on our list is 8, right? We're on 8.
We're on 9 now.
9.
Wait, no, yep, we're on 8. I bet.
8C.
Oh, yeah, so then we're on 9. My bad.
9. The answers are at my discretion. But you could include how inline block leaves white spaces between elements. You could include that in your answer. You could say flex. Oh, well, we already posted our answers, right? We can say flex provides a list of useful tools to style your page, and flex makes it a lot easier to create web pages that react dynamically to the size of the window. So something along those answers. So what do we get for number 9?
Dan said increased versatility, including many built-in features like alignment, justification, spacing, and others that would otherwise have to be adjusted directly by tweaking margins. I like that answer. Benjamin said easier to move objects around. I don't know how harshly we're grading this, but what makes it easier? Is it inline? Does inline make it easier to move objects around?
No, flex makes it makes it easier to move objects around. And I mean, just by having more things to move each object in different places. But I mean, yeah, in my opinion, makes it easier.
It's true, but we wanted to know what about it makes it easier.
Okay.
And that's
Cool.
okay. Maybe we'll just see, because number 10, let's see what. Okay, so this is the controversial one because we even want to have another answer for number 10. How are they doing as far as score wise?
Ben's group specifically?
Yeah.
Number 3, Ben had their group has a 9 out of 10. Oh, from my first grading. So I graded that as being yes. So right now they would have an 8 out of 10.
Well, let's see what's said. I have to determine if this is going to be the game maker breaking. So, all right. So we have 10 as we got a big one, we got a big one, we got a big one. So Dan's
And then
picked
you're,
on it.
yeah,
And then I didn't get that one right.
that one was what I took a point off for.
I put my
Yeah.
answer at the end.
Then
so I guess
3.
if we're going with Joan's answer,
Oh,
then
actually, no one got number 3, so it would actually be an 8 out of 10 for them since they didn't get number 10.
wait, what? I'm confused.
For 10, Joan, did you change your answer?
I didn't change any answer. I know we got one wrong, but everything else should be right, especially because I just posted our number 10 answer.
Oh, I
since
see. Yeah.
we agreed to go with my answer. But I know we got the sticky
That one's right. Yeah.
one wrong, so
Okay, I'll let it. I'll allow it. So let's just continue. We have what's the scores now that we have, Kaya?
Hang on. I got a room 4.
And then the bonus is obviously they both have no parents. So that is the answer to that one.
Yeah, only one group got the bonus, which was Hiral's group. Let me see. Just give me a minute to tally these again real quick. Since we missed number 3, I kind of off-kiltered this a little bit.
Josh, while we're looking at that, why is sticky not also a correct answer on the position one?
Because I didn't teach sticky. Which position would not be useful for creating cookie content?
But
Yeah.
if it's a multiple choice there, is it not right?
Technically it could be right. What does sticky do though? Tell
But
me what it does.
It moves with it as you scroll.
Um, the answer for 8.
yeah, I thought fixed doesn't move. Fixed just sticks in one position. But then when you're scrolling,
that's why 8 is C. That's the answer. Fixed is not. Sticky would be. So position fixed would be the position property that would be. Oh, I see what you're. Okay. So
yeah, but this one's saying following you, but sticky fixed just stays on this one spot.
yeah, because you want the cookie to follow you. That you want it to be there no matter where you go on the page.
But you're saying, well, your question is which one follows you while you're scrolling?
Well, that would be fixed. That would be fixed. Sticky.
Fixed follows you?
Fixed follows you. No matter where you go on the window, fixed will be there. Let's see what sticky does.
All right, I think I've got the results. As long as if they got the bonus, does that add a point to them?
Yeah.
Okay. So group number 1 for, let me read out the names, Malik, Malo, and Matthew. You guys got an 8 out of 10. Group number 2, David, Joan, and Zach. You guys also got an 8 out of 10. For group 3, Gary, Ethan, and Tillman. You guys actually got a 9 out of 10. I didn't realize Ethan and Gary were in the same group. And at first for number 10, Ethan said we got a big one times 4, but Gary gave the answer first. So I'm going to go with Gary's answer where he said we got a big one 3 times, which was the answer. So I gave you guys that point. So 9 out of 10. Group 4, Ben, Haral, and Rashorn, you also got a 9 out of 10. Even though you missed 2 questions, Haral got you guys the bonus, so we gave you an extra point for that. And then group 5 for Dan and Mike, you guys also got a 9 out of 10. So no one got a perfect score because no one got number 3. But good job.
Did we let's see. So we got number 3 and the sticky wrong.
Let me double check. But yes, I believe so. 3. Yeah, number 8 was that. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
All right then. That ends this trivia game. You guys have
passed, yay.
You guys have finished round 1, week 1 of Web Fun. So I'll stop the recording. Oh, let me share my screen. Oh yeah, because right now we are going to do code reviews. Okay, now is the time we're going to do code reviews. So let's see who's going to be in here. We have Hiral, David, Joan, Malo, Ethan. RJ, why don't you just join us right now as well? Join us on this group. So we're going to open up all the breakout rooms, and then we'll create a room for the code review. We'll all do the code review there. And then that will be what we do. The rest of us will just work on assignments. Thank you all for participating in today's game. And have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend.